With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the substance which possesses zero resistance at 105 Kelvin will be. Now zero resistance happens when the temperature is less than the critical temperature of the substance, right? When the temperature is less than the critical temperature of the substance, what really happens is that the thermal energy becomes less than the band gap, right? Band gap is basically the energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band, right? So when the temperature is less than the critical temperature of a substance, then the thermal energy becomes less than the band gap, and when this happens, the resistance is almost equal to zero, right? The resistance almost becomes zero. Okay, so if we talk about the temperature which is given to us is 105 Kelvin. The critical temperature for Hg is actually nearly 1750 Kelvin, right? This is nearly equal to 1750 Kelvin. So if you look at this, then the temperature T that we have, but if we look at the values, the temperature is 105 Kelvin and the critical temperature is about 1750. So there's a very, very large difference, right? There's a very, very large difference. So we cannot consider this large difference to predict whether this is going to have a zero resistance or not. So the difference is very, very large and we cannot consider it, right? So this will not be the answer. Talking about why Ba2Cu3O7, the critical temperature is nearly 108.1 plus minus 0.8 Kelvin. Now, if you look at this temperature, then the temperature 105 Kelvin is less than the critical temperature, and these values are comparable, right? You can compare them. They do not have a very, very large difference. So we can compare it, right? So we can say that the critical temperature in this case is higher than the temperature that is given. So the resistance is almost going to be zero. So the correct answer for this question is going to be option 2. Right, because if we talk about NB3 GE, the critical temperature is 23 Kelvin. So this critical temperature is less than the temperature given, right? So this is not the condition or this is not the criteria to decide that the resistance is going to be zero. For that, the temperature should be less than the critical temperature. But in this case, the critical temperature is less. Therefore, this cannot be the answer. All of these can obviously not be the answer. So the correct answer is option 2 only, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.